Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get sulfur in Windrose. Now I'm just going to tell you this in advance that you can only unlock sulfur once you've beaten the first threat on the first area of the game. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, open your journal by pressing down J and go over to discovery right here. The very first area would be the coastal jungle and you'd have to beat the local threat first called Thomas Richards. Once you've beaten him, you can then discover the foothills right here. And one of its key discoveries is sulfur. Now currently on this little boulder right here, there is some sulfur right on the side of it. And you are going to require an iron pickaxe for you to mine this. And here you can see some sulfur. And now just use your iron pickaxe to whittle it down. And from that small haul, I got 22 pieces of sulfur. Now this is my location on the map. This is the first foothills area that I've arrived. The first area that I spawned into is over here. But it might be different for you. So try to beat the first boss in your area for you to unlock this region. Another way to get sulfur is to find these rocks right here. And from what I've seen, sulfur pretty much comes in the form of these vertical rocks as you can see right here. And these rocks are in scarce quantities. And once you find them, just make sure to mine them immediately because they are pretty difficult to find. And that's pretty much about it on how to get sulfur in Windrose.